Hi friends, welcome back. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of your overall testing process? Is there any mechanism? Is there any metrics? How do you ensure that whatever the process which we define is very effective? That is the question here. Then how will you answer this question? So in order to evaluate the effectiveness of the overall testing process, then we would be required lot of metrics as well too. That would guarantee that we have a right set of testing process we have. First metrics we should cover is test coverage. The test coverage is the first metrics we should consider that would guarantee the effectiveness of our overall testing processes. More the coverage, then the good process you are bringing here. And the second one is the defect density. This metrics measures number of defects found per unit code or functionality. If you are seeing for a given feature, if you are seeing a lower density where less number of defects we have, we can easily assume that we have enough test coverage for that given feature. And the third one is bug detection rate. If we are able to find more defects, more issues on a particular feature, that means that code is not up to the mark, and even we can guarantee that number of test cases which we are bringing for that kind of features, we have a good quality as well, because we are able to find more issues in a given feature. Then the fourth one is time to detect. When this feature is implemented and when the issue is got detected, the shorter the time indicates defects are found as early as possible in the development process. Let's say if the defect is found in the later in the game, that means there is a lack of testing process here. We have not brought the right testing process because we are only catching the issues in the later in the game. If we are able to catch early in the game, then we can easily say we have effectiveness in your testing process. Then the fifth one is time to fix. After we identifying the issue, how much time has been taken to fix those issues also matters, because if developer is not able to fix the issues in the early in the system, even tester, if we identify the issues, is also of no use, because after that lot of regression issues also will come up if you are not fixing the things as early as possible. This is also a metrics we should try to adapt to bring the effectiveness in terms of testing processes. And the sixth one is return of investment. This metrics gives how much cost we have invested in the testing process to find the defects and as well as fixing it. The more the return of investment, that means testing process are very effective here. And the seventh aspect we have to look here is customer satisfaction. This metrics measure the satisfaction of the end user or customer with the feature. The higher the customer satisfaction we have, that means we have higher effective testing process in your testing project. And the eighth one is pass or fail rate. This metrics measure the ratio of successful test versus fail. The higher the pass rate indicates we have good number of good amount of effective testing processes. Apart from that, whatever the above metrics, we should also keep looking any other additional metrics we can bring into the system that would guarantee we can easily measure the overall quality perspective by using various testing metrics in your project.